Hello kids, a very sweet morning to you all. Kids, today I am going to take your English literature class. And today we are going to read our chapter number 1, that is Pukan and her family. Because reading is also very important. Until and unless you people cannot read the things, your textbook, you won't be able to learn anything, right? So, today I am going to take your reading. Okay, kids? So, this is the first page of your chapter. I am taking your reading from your textbook. So, let's begin. What is the name of the chapter? Pukan and her family. Now, this is a warm-up exercise. What do you have to do in this? How many people do you have in your family? Write their names in the circle. You can also draw more circles and add names. Now this activity you have to draw in your book. Okay kids? So here you have to write family and you have to make the circles and write the name of the members in your family. Now let's begin with the reading part. You have to read along with me. Okay? Yes. So let's begin. Let us now read about Pukan's family. Okay? Now start. This is Pukan. She is 6 years old. She lives in a small red house in Goa. Sam is her father. Father, father. Sam is a chef. You have to repeat after me. He works in a very big hotel. Her mother, Anu, is an artist. Yes, what is the spelling for artist? A-R-T-I-S-T, artist. She paints pictures. Yes, next. Sam cooks for the family every Monday and Tuesday. Anu cooks every Wednesday and Thursday. Kids, you have to keep on repeating after me. Okay, we are doing the reading. Grandma cooks every Friday and Saturday. On Sunday, the family goes out to eat. This is David. Pukan calls him Grandpa. Pukan goes to school with her grandfather. This is Ragini. Pukan calls her Grandma. Ragini makes delicious cakes. She has a bakery. She sells cakes and biscuits. Kitty is Kitty also lives with Pukan. He is a family member too. Pukan loves Kitty very much. She takes Kitty to the park every afternoon. In the evening, the family has dinner together. After dinner, mother and grandpa do the dishes. Grandma makes milkshake for all. Kids, you have to see after me. Yes, we are reading the chapter. Pukan helps Grandma clean the table. Then Dad plays his guitar and sings. Everyone joins in the singing. Now, at night, Anu reads to Pukan. Kitty also listens to the stories. He wags his tail at the end. He always has an egg for dinner. He sleeps on a mat beside Pukan's bed. He guards the house at night. Who do you think is Kitty? Kitty is a dog. Yes. So now let's move to the comprehension part. This I have given you as a homework. Yes, so I am going to read it once for you. Choose the correct answer. There are dash members in Pukan's family. 5 or 6 members. Now come on, count it. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, Pukan and Kitty. So there are 6 members. 6 is your answer. Pukan's family is dash, big or small? It's a big family. Pukan's house is big or small? It's a small house. Pukan is dash, young or old? Pukan is young. Yes. Now, after this, I will take your new words. So kids, these were the new words which I have given you while teaching the lesson. So let's once again go through all the words. Now first word is number 1. What is the word? House. H-O-U-S-E, house. Second word is wags. W-A-G-S, wags. Come on kids, you have to repeat after me. Yes? Good. Now third word is father. Come on. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Fourth word is chef. C-H-E-F, chef. Fifth word is hotel. Hotel, hotel. Sixth word is mother. Mother, mother. Seventh word is artist. Artist, artist. Eighth word is pictures. Pictures, pictures. Hope you all are repeating after me. Yes. Now next, ninth word, family. Family, family. Tenth word is listen. Listen, listen. 11th word is guitar. Guitar, guitar. 12th word is bakery. Bakery, bakery. 13th word is biscuits. Biscuits, biscuits. 14th word is Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. 15th word is member. Member. 16th word is Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Come on kids, all of you. Speak loudly, yes. 17th word is milkshake. MILK, milk. SHAKE, shake, milkshake. 18th word is grandma. GRAND, grand. MA. 19th word is grandpa. GRAND, grand. PA. 20th word is delicious. DELICIOUS, delicious. So, hope you all have already learned these words. So, today while revision, it won't have been difficult for you while revising it. Okay, now what was next? Synonyms and antonyms. Okay, so first synonym is delicious. What is a synonym? That is meaning tasty. TASTY, tasty. Second synonym is wags. Wags means to move stale from side to side. Yes. Third is chef. Chef is the head cook. Fourth synonym is artist. What do you mean by artist? A painter. Next, antonyms. Antonyms for small is big. Antonym for out is N. Antonym for clean is dirty. After this, what we have seen? Make sentences. So, our first word was wag. Dogs wag their tails when they are pleased. What do you mean by pleased? When they are happy. Yes, they are happy also you can write. Now what is the second word? Delicious. Now what you will make, how you will make a sentence? My mother made me a delicious lunch. Next. was answer in few words. Now let us see first question. What is the name of Puckin's dog? Now tell me what is the name of Puckin's dog? Kitty. Very good. But you have to say the answer in full sentence. So repeat after me. The name of Puckin's dog is Kitty. Next, what work Sam do in a hotel? So, Sam cooks in a hotel. You can also write Sam cooks as a chef in a hotel. Okay? Next, who makes milkshake for all after dinner? Who makes? Grandma. Very good. But this you have to write in complete sentence. So let's begin. Grandma makes milkshake for all after dinner. Now the last but not the least, think and answer. Is Puckin's family a happy family? Yes, Puckin's family is a happy family. Your reason, you have to give the reason, because they cook together, they work together, they spend lots of time together, right? So the question is, now write the complete answer to the following question. Do you think Puckin's family is happy? Give reason for your answer. So your answer is, I think Puckin's family is happy because they cook, work and spend time together. Always remember, the family that eats together, spends time together, stays together. So kids, here we come to the end of today's session, in which we have done chapter number 1's reading of textbook as well as the comprehension part. Okay? So see you soon. Be safe, be happy.